Hey everyone, it's your name. Have you ever dreamt of making money while you sleep? Well, I'm here to tell you it's possible. Today, I'm going to share a strategy that's helped me generate thousands in passive income. I've managed to build a portfolio worth over £80,000, generating a consistent return without lifting a finger. And the best part? You can start doing this too, with as little as $100. Let's break down the magic behind this. It's called index fund investing. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're betting on the overall performance of a market sector. Think of it like owning a piece of hundreds of companies at once. Index funds offer diversification, which means you're spreading your risk across multiple companies. This reduces the impact of any single company's performance on your investment. Not all index funds are created equal. Some focus on specific sectors like technology, while others track broader markets. For beginners, the S&P 500 is a great starting point, as it represents the largest US companies. Now, let's talk about how to get started. You'll need an investment app. Look for apps that are regulated in your country. Some popular options include mention popular investment apps. A key strategy is dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing a lump sum, you invest a fixed amount regularly. This helps smooth out market fluctuations. Remember, investing involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. It's essential to do your own research or consult a financial advisor. I've just scratched the surface of index fund investing. If you want a deeper dive, let me know in the comments. I'm considering creating a more in-depth video. Also, check out the links in the description for more information on the investment apps I mentioned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips. Upbeat outro music.